start at the top and work down.
The Worx Hydroshot 56bar is an excellent portable pressure washer for cleaning your e-bike for several reasons. At just a few kilograms, the Hydroshot is easy to carry and maneuver, making it ideal for reaching all parts of your e-bike. You can clean your bike wherever you are, whether at home, the trailhead, or the roadside. The Eco mode is particularly useful because it helps conserve water and extends battery life. This is perfect for smaller cleaning tasks like washing an e-bike where you don't need a high-pressure blast, but gentle enough to avoid damaging sensitive components like electronic systems, gears, or paint. The Hydroshot can draw water from a hose or any other water source like a bucket, river, or bottle. This makes it incredibly versatile. This versatility is ideal for cleaning an e-bike as different components require different pressure levels. Being cordless and powered by a rechargeable battery, it eliminates the need for a power outlet, giving you the freedom to clean anywhere.
And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Gleam Truths. Laters!